Well, welcome back to Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com. Well, the LS lesson is complete, man, and we got the payoff today. You're going to enjoy this. Let me bring you up to speed to where we're at. We actually got the oil pan on. We got the pump all secured, the baffle in. We got the harmonic balancer on, the flywheel. We even went and put the starter on there. Brian's got the intake all torqued to specifications, but the key is we primed the oil system. We took a tank. We actually pressurized the oil system to make sure we're not going to crank this thing over without any oil pressure. We had great oil pressure. Sign number one, good.
Absolutely critical in this process. All the hard work you've done to this point, a lot of new parts from a camshaft to push rods to rocker arms. You want to protect all that and do a real first compression check the right way.
Well, I got the remote starter hooked up. What are you waiting for, man?
I hear you. Boy, you're getting anxious. You just want to drop this in some hot rod, don't you?
Absolutely. Now, you remember we had about, anywhere from 100 to 150. Totally normal. Wasn't in bad shape, but we found a lot of stuff we fixed up as we went through the season.
Quit talking.
This one, I want about, I'm not doing it then. All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! 2, 3, 4. Whoa.
Well done. I like it. That's an upgrade right there.
That's a good sign. Now we'll go around. We'll take a compression reading on all of them just to make sure. And it doesn't hurt. We're spinning this engine over. We're building oil pressure with the oil pump. Whatever we're going to put it in, it's going to be that much better.
Absolutely. And don't forget, guys, this was a driveway budget from the get-go. This wasn't a 5,000 horsepower build. We could have done that, but we wanted to show you all the maintenance, all the tips, everything we teach on Tech Garage. You saw it right where it comes to life, down inside the guts of an engine throughout this build. So we've done something. We're under $800 in replacement parts. We've got some time in it. We need to spend some more time on it. What's it typically take, 30, 40 hours to build an engine?
Yeah, it does. But I mean, to your point, yeah, we put a new timing chain, we put a new oil pump, we put a new camshaft. If that stuff's in good shape, you can just do a gasket, a re-ring. You can just do it without pistons. We could have put pistons. We could have put a crankshaft in it.
Sure.
Rock Auto offers all that for a total rebuild. But yeah, for your budget, that was absolutely perfect. I mean, that was awesome. Yeah, when you rebuild one of these, please keep in mind, guys, that this is a 30, 40-hour job, especially in a shop. We had, what, 7 minutes or 6 minutes for 13 weeks?
Show.
I mean,
yeah.
So, we went through, we tweaked everything, we made sure everything was right. And, if you want to check us out on Facebook or social media, you can check it out at Chipola Tech Garage. We're going to start posting some more stuff so you guys can see what's on inside of there as we go along. Well, we're out of time for today. Our LS is good. We're going to wrap up this show with Garage Ed. There's plenty more. We'll be back with more Tech Garage, brought to you by RockAuto.com.